The 2015 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, front-wheel drive, climate control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one-owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.